Now could we have M-governance, an efficient way to meet citizens' expectations? Rajkot Municipal Corporation.
Respected Chairman of Session and delegates, it is my pleasure to represent Rajkot Municipal Corporation in front of such august gathering. I am Mahesh Gohel, looking after e-governance and M-governance activities in Rajkot Municipal Corporation. This is the agenda of my presentation. Rajkot is in the heart of Saurashtra region, having population more than 1.5 million, and it is best known for its association with the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Let us come to the main part of my presentation, e-governance. For better management, we have divided e-governance into two parts, that is citizen-centric services and back-office services. We have effective integration of all the services. We have centralized server architecture, the effective back-office administration, and all services are truly online. These are the main feature of our e-governance. RMC has taken a number of innovative initiatives for e-governance. We are running 24/7 call center. We have on-the-spot building plan permission for residential purpose. We have most updated website. We are providing online birth and death certificates. As a social obligation, we are providing suggestive names for the newborn baby. We have unique tie-up with Indian Postal Services for collection of property tax, water charges, Awas Yojana, and profession tax. Again, I want to reiterate that this is truly online service. To provide point-to-point communication in a personalized manner, we have started M-governance services. Based on the application and usage of services, it is divided into three parts, that is alert service, interactive service, and management service. Rajkot Municipal Corporation is providing more than 25 such M-governance services. How to access these M-governance services? For interactive service, citizen has to send SMS in a predefined format to RMC's SMS gateway, while for alert service, citizen has to register either through website or through SMS or at the time of creation of master database. While management service is basically used for internal purpose of Rajkot Municipal Corporation, we send daily income expenditures SMS and daily complaint statistics to our higher officials. These are the actual messages we send to the citizen of Rajkot. Best practices, vaccination alert. This was introduced during the Nirogi Bal Varsh of Gujarat government, that is for healthy child year. The vaccination, we are sending alerts to all the registered parents having child of age 7 days to 16 years as per the National Immunization Scheme. We have already sent more than 55,000 such SMS to the parents. The impact of this service has been endorsed by the city's leading pediatricians and hospitals, and even Indian Academy of Pediatricians. As per their observation, the occurrence of vaccination preventable disease has become past for Rajkot city, and at the same time, there is a continuous decrease in the dropout ratio of vaccination. Another best practice is 24/7 call center. Here, complaints can be registered through SMS, website, or by phone call. It is a single point communication. We provide 24/7 service. Once the complaint is registered, all the transactions are carried out through SMS only. Looking at the comparison chart for the last 2 years for the same period, there is twofold increase in the performance of call center. Why it is innovative? Because it is tricky, transparent, responsive, intelligent, quick, effective, and efficient service. Some facts and figures about our services. We have sent more than 1 lakh alert SMSs to the citizen. Citizens have accessed our interactive service. Approximately 50,000 citizens has accessed this service. While for management services, more than 4 lakh SMSs has been used. Now, what are the benefits to the citizens? Now the information is just one SMS away. It provides equal quality of service regardless of social or economic status, and it's a tricky administration. Benefit to RMC. There has been increase in the revenue of RMC, and at the same time there has been operating expenditure is reduced. The effective integration of back office services and citizen-centric services is now possible. The grievance management has become more efficient. Sir, let me put to your notice that after implementation of these services, the revenue for the municipal due has increased by 41 million for the same period of as compared to the last year. And the expenditure for this service is merely 4 to 5 lakhs rupees. Replicable. This project is highly replicable. It is scalable and sustainable project. It can fit on any municipal corporation activities and on any database as an add-on component. Let me conclude. So far we have crossed our targeted milestone for providing hassle-free service to the citizen of Rajkot. And last but not least, this complete project, e-governance and m-governance, has been designed, developed and implemented by 4 members team of in-house. Thank you.